We are back from Power Cruise, you guys. Sorry, we haven't even done Power Cruise 1 videos, and we have already completed the Power Cruise 2, actually, you guys. So, Power Cruise 2 is done. Mustang is back. I just want to show you guys, I guess, the carnage of these wheels. Oh, so, as you can see, these wheels or tires really got used up out there. I mean, we probably did like 50-some laps. I shouldn't say 50-some laps, but definitely 50-some poles. I mean, like, that's insane. Yeah, this one's not too bad. I mean, look at this one. That one's insane, too. But definitely, this is absolutely crazy. So it's a 3-mile track, you guys. I think this other tire has some crazier marks. I mean, there, gouged pretty good. I mean, there, right there also, like, it bit down pretty nasty. Yeah, you can tell these tires definitely got warm, definitely works pretty good. This set, I haven't used this one since, like, the airport, so this one's still fairly, like, pretty decent, actually. So, yeah, that's insane. These were very warm, and they stuck and they planted like freaking crazy, you guys. So, definitely Street R's were definitely in the money out there. Really nice set. But we are going to work on some content. Definitely have to. I might post up some Power Cruise videos. So if you see my tinted taillights, you will know that they are Power Cruise 2 videos. So Power Cruise 1 videos, I didn't have the tinted taillights. Power Cruise 2 videos, I have the tinted taillights. So I might do a little bit of both, but definitely try to work through them as best as I can, as much as I can. We definitely had some fuel issues, some fuel hiccups out there. Like I said, we were running the car hard for, 3, I think there's like 4-hour sessions. So first session on Friday, it ran great, flawless. And then second session on Friday, it had some minor hiccups. We found a fuel pump that died, and we looked at the connector, and the connector was kind of burnt, so we cleaned it really nicely, and then we put in a new fuel pump just because, why not? But then we found out the fuel pump was still good, so we think it's the connector that's issue or some wiring that's an issue. I don't have it apart yet. Everything's kind of back together, and I have all the camping gear still back there, so won't be able to see it just yet. But anyways, moving forward, so we put the new fuel pump in, cleaned up the connectors. Saturday, this car ran absolutely hard. Like the 2 to 3 shift, it kicked the rear end out. I've never had that happen on here ever. Like, it was absolutely crazy how much like extra juice we got with the new fuel pump and cleaning the connector. So I have two fuel pumps, primary, secondary. Secondary's on Hobbs, and yeah, so the secondary was having issues, but nonetheless, ran fine again for the first session. Then the second session, we started having some issues on the hits. So then we just logged it, shut it down. We didn't run anything anymore for the second session. And then definitely didn't do anything Sunday because I was dead hungover. So we definitely didn't get any content. But nonetheless, we had some very solid cars in there. TTRSs, RS3s, guys that came from South Dakota, and the McLaren, like 720S, that thing's crazy fast. The Viper, and then the twin turbo R8, you guys. But why we are here, we gotta do a compression check, you guys. I probably won't show you guys too much things during this compression test, but definitely do want to do a compression test because we got some top secret content coming. This blower is going back. ESS is gonna assess it, and hopefully they send me another a blower that's powder coated. That would be really sick. So maybe we'll have some secret content. I can't really show you guys too much things, but the blower will be gone. So while it's gone, hopefully I will do my videos. But I assure you guys, stock engine, stock trans. This trans had no issues this event, you guys. We ran it hard. I mean, the trans temps were like 200 to 210 max. So very hard. You guys watch those events or watch my videos. It's 2 back-to-back hits within like 20 seconds. So trans temps were freaking phenomenal. It didn't skip a single beat out there, you guys. I'm very happy with the trans, and it's doing great, doing very good. So other than that, I mean, let's try to pump out the videos here, but let's just do a compression check. I just want to give you guys a quick update. We are back, current day. We have so many videos to go through, and the editing 360 videos, definitely long, time consuming also. But like I said, feel might have some electrical issues. Could be the regulator having some issues. But we're gonna do a compression test and see if Mustang's still happy. We are compression testing the Mustang, and of course, you guys do know that one is by far the worst spark plug to get at. Yeah, we're just gonna start at the worst and then see where we go, see what kind of numbers we get. Yeah, we'll just kind of show you how to really kind of do this. So basically, take out the spark plug, get the little tester, get the gauge set up there, and then what you want to do, take your spark plug out, you know, and then you just thread this back in. Simple. We're not gonna show that because like I don't really do that stuff. So we got the spark plug out. I just want to show you guys a quick rundown of what we got going on here. You know, we got the socket, and we got like a little elbow, and then a shorty, and then a shorty. So the next thing you want to do is thread in your little compression tester here, your little gauge. Thread it in there just like so. I'm sure you guys can figure out how to thread this in. So once you're inside the car here, sorry, it's super blurry, 0.5 and with the flashlight on. But floor, gas pedal all the way down, a little bit of brake. I'm just gonna crank it just a little bit here. I think that's good enough, boys. So then you come back to here and like, all right, 220. That's not bad. That's actually really good. I think number 4 is what people say like always fails. So, all right. So hopefully I don't drop the spark plug down in there, but basically just want to bend it like so, and it just drops right into the hole like so, you guys. And then with the extensions all attached to each other, it literally just falls right into place like so. So we got that number 4 in. We're just gonna run through them really quick. I probably won't show you guys all of them unless we have an issue, but yeah, we're just gonna do some more testing here. So cylinder 1, I thought I had a scare there. I was gonna record it, but then we ran it 3 more times, and we're now like 225. The first crank, it was like 190. I don't know if I messed up or did something wrong. I just retightened the freaking thing and then cranked it again, and we got 225 and 230. I don't know, man. 190 kind of scared me because everything else has been 220, 215. So I don't know, maybe I'm inconsistent with my cranks. I don't freaking know. I hate doing this stuff, you guys, but we do know we're not 100. So, and that's pretty much how you do a compression test on the Mustang here. Compression test was good. 230s, 220s. And then the driver's side was pretty much 230s the whole way. I'm pretty sure I should have cranked one more time on the passenger side because we were getting like 220s. Definitely cranked it a little long on the driver's side. But like I said, we aren't seeing 100s, so that's good news. Very good news. So like I said, hey guys, hey. Stock block, stock trans, stock axles, drive shaft, stock brakes. We do have oil pump gears. I think I went with, dude, I forgot what oil pump gears I put in there. And then we did the crank sprocket. I do have the upgrade APR crank bolt in there. For some reason, the kinetic bolt does not work on my car. It was a whole like email in-depth thing, like something's wrong with my crank. APR bolt doing just fine. We ran the Vortec just fine. I'm not even kidding you guys. Probably 14, 15, 1,600 hits on the Vortec. Like literally, I think we forgot about how many hits were there. Because if you look at all the airport runs, I mean, we're talking 30, 40 runs at an airport every single weekend. And on top of that, you know, we're talking about Tuesday nights. We're talking Thursday nights, Friday nights, Saturday nights. I mean, those are some serious killer runs. 4 days a week, yo, you do the math on that Vortex setup, man. It absolutely put in work, and you're probably asking, where's all that content? Classified. So straight classified. We will probably get to those someday, you know, when we no longer have this Mustang, you'll be seeing, yo, we got the Vortex coming out again. So that's where we are at. And then ESS, hey, shout out to ESS for helping me out with this kit. You know, I really didn't want to switch to ESS, but I'm telling you, the hype is real with ESS. Installation is great, simple, easy. Like, yo, You know, you were talking about the dipstick right here, dude. Yo, ESS, what's up, man? That is freaking dope. I hope you see this video because, like, that's freaking awesome. Vortec, man. It was underneath the throttle body under here or something, and you couldn't take it out without removing your throttle body. So not the end of the world, but I'm just saying it's kind of annoying. This is still the same belt we've had in this ESS since it was installed. ESS now, honestly, like, we probably have 200 some hits, honestly. 200 some hits with the ESS, you guys. One fluid change. And that's pretty much it, you know. We did compression tests, like I said. Pretty much the season's done. Our second Power Cruise event, we had some filling issues, but we did 2 Power Cruise events. Airport stuff this year, not happening due to new regulations. So maybe we'll see the airport next year. But like I said, I encourage you guys to come out to Power Cruise. It's so fun. You're talking a 3-mile track, getting down. Woo! 3-mile track, drag radio, just eating it up. I mean, you're talking bare asphalt, just eating this up. Oh, man, it's so good. But, yeah, you guys, that's going to do it. Compression's good. Mustang's healthy. We have some secret content from ESS coming up. I don't know when or ever I'll post this video or if we get to the secret content in the Mustang. But as right now, Mustang is healthy. New spark plugs, compression's good. We probably should do an oil change to see what's good in the pan. But shoot, man, hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Super boring video. I know. We got to get to the Power Cruise videos. But people always ask, if you guys are watching, people always ask, why doesn't your Mustang ever break? Why don't you ever do maintenance videos? And to be honest, like, there really is no maintenance to this car, you guys. I'm talking spark plugs, oil changes. Spark plug, oil changes. That's literally it, and I don't really want to do a video on that. I'm sorry. But we did one today, just showing you guys we do compression tests end of the season. Yeah, so we're looking to make some more healthy numbers next year, or maybe at the end of this year for a season closer. We'll maybe get on a dyno, see what it actually makes end season, you know. So, peace out. That's enough talking, man. We got to get to the Power Cruise videos. Man, we got to get to the racing videos. Let's go.